India-UK sign a landmark free trade deal to double trade by 2030. Whiskey, autos, textiles to get cheaper. Prime Minister Modi and Keir Starmer oversee the deal, slashing tariffs on British whiskey, premium cars and Indian leather, footwear, apparels. Now you also have people wanting to freelance easily to stay in the UK up to 2 years. Rahul Gandhi tells Election Commission, "We are going to come after you." Congress claims 100% proof of voter fraud. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi shares a fiery email to poll panel, alleges Election Commission enabled cheating in Karnataka constituency. Air India under regulatory lenses for violations of crew rest norms, training rules and flight operations. Airline cites voluntary disclosures, vows full compliance. Basically, Air India has got multiple notices now for non-compliance and also flagging off fatigue of pilots. Asian Cricket Council confirms India as official host for Asia Cup T20, which is all set to take place in UAE, with Team India likely to play all matches in Dubai. A possible India-Pakistan match also on the cards. Karnataka Chief Minister calls the Lok Sabha results as suspicious, accuses Election Commission of aiding the BJP, alleges voter list manipulation, endorses Rahul Gandhi's fraud charges against the Election Commission's SIR drive. The CBI is probing a larger conspiracy, evidence tampering in RG Kar trainee doctor rape murder case. An agency scanning 32 TV CCTV footage examines 7 witnesses amid ongoing investigation, and it appears that they suggest there could be tampering at the scene of crime. Pakistan Prime Minister offers talks, cites UK's role in easing India tensions. Shehbaz Sharif says Islamabad is ready for meaningful dialogue with India on all outstanding issues during meeting with UK High Commissioner Jane Marriott. Temple has been vandalized in Australia days after Indian student was assaulted. In Australia, a racist graffiti comes up at the Melbourne Hindu temple. In fact, this is not one-off case. Asian eateries and many other places there have faced such hate crimes. Russian plane crashes, kills 49 on board. The Soviet-era AN-24 plane crashes near Tinda, Far East Russia, which is closer to China. A passenger plane carrying 49 people, including five children, have died right after the crash.